felt the urge to go racing with a modern-day Bugatti. This is your chance to do it. The virtual development of this race car is really based on our engineering excellence, on our aerodynamic research, and on real existing racing technology.
We've had the dream to do such a car for a very long time in design department, taking the Bugatti, stripping it of all of its excessive luxury and doing a thoroughbred racing car.
This car is no science fiction. This car is engineered. It's designed to race not in 20 years, but in today's world. In today's racing world.
Our philosophy at Bugatti Design is that every feature has to be function-driven, so that it is a perfect symbiosis between technology and aesthetics.
The fin becomes a functional element of the car, especially as it extends from the roof towards the rear end. It provides aerodynamic stability, as well as it houses the DRS activation for the active rear wing.
All the controls are organized into an absolutely intuitive way, like the center console with the center line accentuation going all the way to the headliner.
Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo の場合は、ハイパフォーマンスな、ターゲットスペックがあるだけで
The Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo car is not just high performance. It's especially designed so that it's producible as a real car.
It was our outspoken goal to stay connected to the real world as much as possible.
We wanted the car to be memorable. We wanted it to create an imprint on your mind, so you would not be able to forget it.
The project Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo features 4 key DNA elements.
The Bugatti horseshoe with an 8-eye face, the Bugatti signature line, the center line accentuation, and cut-off rear end with a full-width horizontal taillight.
Our previous chapter, the Bugatti Veyron, is over, and Vision Gran Turismo is the first step into the new direction. We are teaming up with the best computer race game around the world.
Having met the team at Bugatti, I can honestly say that the way they challenge limits, the way they try to push beyond boundaries, feels so similar to the way Gran Turismo attempts to go the extra mile in everything it does.
The modern-day Bugatti is known to be the speed king of the hypercar world. What other racetrack would be more suitable for our virtual race car than Le Mans?
On this car, there is no compromise. This is really full-on racing.
This car is as much performance beast as you can possibly imagine. But at the same time, instantly recognizable as a Bugatti.